Welcome. In this video tutorial, I'm going to use Metasploitable to brute force a login credentials to the Tomcat server. When you are in contact with an application running on a pod, you will want to look at the application and investigate uh, the possible login credentials for that application. Now, if you look at the Tomcat, this exploit in Metasploitable will look at all historic login credentials of Tomcat, and I'm looking at 6.0, and it's going to try to determine the password credentials. So I'm going to start by launching MSF console, MFS console, and once it starts, I'm going to use the search to search for Tomcat and see what exploit are out there in Metasploit. So search Tomcat and let's see what I get. My spelling is wrong here, so I'm gonna go back and search, and I see a lot of Tomcat exploit in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna modify it now to Tomcat login, see what I get. So yes, I see to scan for Tomcat login. Okay, I want to try it should be the MGR login, so that's that. So I'm going to say use 0 because I want to use a brute force. So I'm going to go back in here and say use 0, and I'm going to use this module. So I want to look at what are the options needed to run this application. The only thing I'll need here now is the arrow host, the remote target. So I'm going to set that IP address of the remote target. So it's set arrow host, and is the IP address of the remote target. So I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to press enter. So if I do show options again, you will see that I've placed the arrow host in there. Now I could use the run command now to run the brute force to try to attack that application. So I'll let it go through, and I'm going to scroll to the top, all the way to the top here, and you will see that I was able to brute force the login credentials. So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into that application. I'm going to open my browser here, and the application is located here. So I'm going to go in there, and I'm going to show you the screen in there. Let me go in and try to show you the screen. And this is the login screen. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go in and put in the username and password admin. And by the way, this is not a strong password, but these are default passwords that came with the application. So it tells you that when you get an application, you should try to change the default password. So now I can look through the entire manager setup. I can look at this server status, and I could do some things in here. I could list all the applications on the server. Okay, and I can do a lot of things on this server. So this is the way you can use Metasploit to kind of look at application to see whether the manager interface, the administrator interface can be compromised, because once you do that, you can have visibility of a lot of features on the system. Thanks for watching, and I see you in another video.